All right, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at billet aluminum gas cap, kind of the quick release gas cap for this is a 2025 Ducati Hypermotard 950 SP. That's a mouthful to say. Beautiful bike, amazing bike. I haven't had time to ride it yet. Too cold in Minnesota here, but there's no better time than springtime to get all your accessories put on, get ready for the riding season. So that's what we're doing here today. I went ahead, and this is going to be interesting because I actually got this from AliExpress online. So the normal ones that you would order from the USA or wherever, they're like $130 some, something like that. And this bugger here was like $37, so about a third of the price. And I just wanted to see like what the quality is like on this. Just kind of check and see how is it going to fit on the bike, what's it look like, what's the quality look like. So yeah, so anyway, it came in packaging here. As you can tell, I just kind of pulled it off quick, but let's take a look. So it is by, I'm going to go to the other side of the camera so I can keep an eye on it. This is by DT Rad. And I can post a link. I'll try and post a link to where it is on AliExpress if you guys want to buy one, especially if it's any good, if it fits good. If I think it looks like it's going to be okay, then I'll recommend it. If this is a cheap piece of garbage and I go, hey, this is not worth buying, it doesn't fit well, stuff like that, then I will not link to it and I will not recommend it. But that's the purpose of this video. So this is an AliExpress gas cap. So let's take a look and see what we got, huh? I don't know about you guys, but that to me looks pretty darn nice. You don't have the other logo that the $130 some ones do, but what I find interesting is the company that makes this says let them know, and they can put any logo they want down here. So now, is that what the company is doing in the US that's selling these, is just ordering from China and then having their logo stamped onto it and then charging 3 times the price? I wouldn't doubt it, and it's smart because you can make money that way. So it's like I could order from them, custom put my own logo on here and sell to you guys. If that's something you're interested in, that would be kind of a cool idea, and then I could make money and retire early. But yeah, let me know. If you want, I could reach out to them and maybe try that. Figure out some kind of logo, USA flag or Ducati emblem or Punisher logo down here or something like that. It'd be kind of cool. But let's see how this fits. Let's get this pulled out of here. And there's the bottom of it. It's like a, you can see it's like a helical, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a helical bottom part here. So you basically push down, and then you would push down on here. There's like a plunger there. So you push down and then you twist it. And when you twist it, this rod is gonna spin around here and then let you pull it out. So there, you push it down, it gets over the ridge, and then you turn it and it goes to there and you can pull it out. So pretty darn cool. So from this way, here you are there. That's what it looks like. Take these pins, put them in on where the groove part is in here. Now I'm not flipping you guys off, but where the groove part is in here, line the pins up with that. There. Sorry. This is my first time doing this. I've never had one of these before, so bear with me. But yeah, it should be right there. Line it up, push it in, and it locks. Easy as that. So this, and it's got it's a really nice stiff spring, and it feels like a real smooth action. So there you go. I accidentally pushed way too hard and went up and over this. But yeah, so if you push on it, go to the left, push on it, go to the right. So on here, you gotta hold it, push, go to the left, go to the right, and it locks. So that is how these quick action system gas caps work. So now let's take a look at the stock one. All right, so here's what the stock one looks like. And you've got this nice, beautiful bike, black, red, white, And then you got a big silver locking gas cap, which locking is nice because then nobody's going to put anything in here. But honestly, how many of your vehicles have locking gas caps on them? Probably the newer ones do, or they have a locking lid. But usually people don't mess with your fuel tanks anymore. I would sure hope not, but it is definitely peace of mind. So if you're worried about it, do not get a quick release gas cap. But I'm not too worried about it up here, and I sure as hell hope nobody would screw with me like that. That would definitely suck. But anyway, yeah, so just a few Allen wrench bolts, and we can pull this one off, put the other one on. But I'll show you what's included in this one. And then you have some bolts to put on with black tops. That's nice, so it'll all blend in together. And then you just have your gas cap. And the one thing I'm curious on, there is no vent ring. I've seen on some of the older ones, they have a vent tube. That way nothing gets too tight, and it's like somewhere in here. So I'll be curious if I pull this off if there's a vent tube on here or not. And let's just see. That looks like the same size. Looks like same bolt pattern. And that is going to look a lot nicer in my opinion than that. And that'll probably be my thumbnail. Or I'll do one with this and the bike in the background for my thumbnail. Anyways, just talking out loud, guys. But that's how I do my videos. So, all right, hope you like it. I'll get that one pulled off, get this one put on. All right, guys, shout out to Hypermotard King. He is a big Ducati 950 SP video channel on YouTube. He showed that to get that out, you got to take this little plastic piece off because there's a couple screws, one in here and one up there. So we got to pop the seat off. Pop them out, take the back bolt out, which I just did, and slide this back so your seat will pop off. Then we got to pull this cover off to get at some other stuff. So I got two, not sure what these guys are, maybe just Allen wrench screws or something, not exactly sure. Yeah, those are just Allen wrench. They're not in very tight, so that's good. Just nice and loose. All right, so this is a little more in depth than I thought it would be, but might as well show you guys everything, right? So this will just come undone. Don't lose it. Put it in the back pocket. This will come undone. Don't lose that. Put that in the back pocket. And then that just lifts off, I do believe. Okay, there's a couple little plugs right under the front there. So that comes off. And then we can get to this guy. So I'll get a close-up of that, and then we just got two screws to undo there. So that should be fairly easy. We got a couple little, actually what I can do, we got the hose clamp here. I kind of hate to undo the hose clamps, but probably, they're pretty solid. That's probably what I'm gonna do, or at least one. There. Okay, so now all I gotta do is undo those two Phillips head screws that are under there. All right, guys, not sure how well you're gonna be able to see this. Hopefully you can. Let me turn my screen. So there's one Phillips head screw right here by my thumb, which you don't want to drop in your fuel tank at all, under any circumstances, which I can kind of see myself doing right now, so I should put something in there, but I'm not, just because I like to chance stuff, which is really a dumb idea. But you guys will see it here first if it goes sideways. But I'm in kind of a hurry because it's cooling off pretty good here in Minnesota right now. And there. So let me focus down here. There we go. So this just came off. And now we've got to get this little guy off. Okay. So there's number 2, and there's your ring. And now I believe all we have to do is install this new one onto here, which will be going, well, basically we'll hook this back up and then this just bolts onto here and we're good to go. So I'll just hook that back up right now, put that little cover on, so we don't even need those other 2 little screws. Now this guy, one there, and here, line them up. Then we'll put in our 2, I gotta find, this is gonna be the hard part, is finding everything. We'll put these little guys back in, and don't drop these either because you don't want them going down in your frame where you're gonna lose them. And make sure they're, always start them by hand to make sure you're not cross-threaded at all. That's just a good word of advice for any bolt or nut or anything like that. So that is going to focus right in here, hopefully. Yep. Yeah, so this guy will just sit right on here and then get bolted on. And there we go. So this little guy, yeah, so this just sits around here. This just sits around here like that. This little gasket they give you. We'll push that on. Make that all nice. Now this just sits on here. Then we'll line up our bolts and away we go. And hopefully they're the same Allen head as what the other one was. That'd be really nice. But yeah, this is actually a fairly easy install, and the quality looks, from what I've seen, quality looks awesome, guys. We'll see if it fades over time, but I don't see why you'd pay $100 and some odd when you could get this one for $37. I mean, I get it on your brake levers, you know, like you definitely want to have good brake levers, but for the most part, like beyond that, like these little guys, if they fit and work good, like why not? Save some money. Economy is not great nowadays. Inflation's going up, gas is going up. You basically got to save money wherever you can. But maybe you guys can tell the paint on that one kind of chipped a little bit on that screw. So I don't really like that part too much, but wish their screws had a little better paint finish on them. We'll see how it holds up over time. I'll check back in with you. Alright, so I'm not going to bore you guys, I'm just going to tighten these down. That's your quick release gas cap from AliExpress, and I don't know about you guys, but I think that looks pretty darn sharp. I'm going to turn my brightness down a tad. Yeah, to me that looks mighty nice. And I'm plenty happy with it for saving the money, you know. That's just reflection on there. It lines up really well, fits well. My only one complaint is look at these screws, like right here. How that paint doesn't stay on them very nice. Now, whether the rest of that will be like that or not, I don't know. That remains to be seen, but we'll find out. And I got a tank bag holder coming that'll mount on top of this, so we'll see what that looks like and how that's going to work in a future video. But yeah, until then, shoot, I think that should be locked. So yeah, there you go. And then I close it. Put it, should be halfway like this, and then push down, and it locks. So you're straight up and down. yeah, hope you liked the video, guys. Favorite, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully it's a little warmer out. All right, later.